This is a demonstration for Class 1 cavity preparation for the lower first premolar. First of all, we start with a small round bear, 1 mm in diameter. Start penetration. 2 cavities, mesial and distal. 1. The depth of penetration is 1.5 mm. With angulation of the bear 45 degree lingually. After penetration, we start with the fine Fisher bear 1 mm in diameter to do the outline, to create the outline form. Also, the angulation of the bear is 45 degree with the long axis of the tooth, because the buccal cusp is higher than the lingual cusp in lower 4 or the lower first premolar, to prevent hitting the pulp, because the pulp horn buccally is higher than the pulp horn lingually. Also, we notice here in lower 4 the transverse ridge from the buccal cusp to the lingual cusp. It is the strongest part in the tooth. We should preserve it. Here we do the outline form, preserve the transverse ridge, also without hitting the mesial and distal marginal ridge. We have to leave at least 2 mm mesially and distally, without weakening the mesial and distal marginal ridge. The outline form is oval in shape or kidney in shape. Wider, the outline form is wider buccally than lingually. The floor should be smooth but not flat. It should be 45 degree angulation. Have 45 degree angulation. The depth of the cavity should be 1.5 to 2 mm and should be as conservative as possible. All principles of cavity preparation for GV Black is used, should be applied. When we do preparation, and the debris of the cavity preparation should be removed by using the triple syringe or the air syringe. The cavity should be convenient and conservative. If the floor is not smooth, we can use the inverted cone, the small one, to create smooth pulpal floor. for the two cavities, the mesial and the distal one. Also, the angulation of the burr should be 45 degrees to avoid hitting the pulp horn buccally. Finally, if the walls is not smooth of the cavity, we can use the fissure burr to do final finishing for the walls of the cavity. Clean the cavity. Check the walls, floor with a prop. It should be smooth. This is the final shape of the cavity. Two separated cavities, mesial and distal one. Preserve the transverse ridge, at least 2 mm in thickness. Preserve the mesial and distal marginal ridges, 2 mm in thickness. Floor should be smooth with 45-degree angulation. Avoid hitting the pulp horn buccally.